Yeah, you follow your diet, simple as that, but I'm...
Give me a car keys. I am doing this.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Yo, you can... that is like a cut right there. Oh, there's a room up there I can't see.
We're heading down. Let's go down.
Bro, it literally seems like something's like grabbing onto it.
Looks like someone's pulling you down.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Steve Ronin. You already know we go on the most epic adventures every single week. If you notice, I didn't upload a video last Saturday, and that's because my external hard drive broke. Before that, though, I went on a crazy road trip, filmed a bunch for you guys, and unfortunately, it's sent to repair right now. I had to pay like $600, but thank you for all the donators that came to LiveStream a few days ago. I'm sure you guys know what's up. We were able to generate enough money to repay that repair. So thank you to the Ronin Army, appreciate it. I'm out of stock footage right now, so I'm gonna take you guys to an incredible place. But I'm joined with the boys. The boys are from Cumbria. They go on underground explorations. They're taking us here. Really cool guys. We got Dean, Sam, and we got our boy JP. And of course, doing this UK road trip with Proving Demons and Exploring Fighters. Let's get in there. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and smash the thumbs up. And by the way, it was no joke to get up here. Check this out. So this is how our path looks right now. We're going to this abandoned copper mine, and we're going through this abandoned road at the moment. We're next to a cliff edge, literally. We're going up and up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a waterfall. You can even hear it. It is loud. I don't know where we're going, but it's definitely up a mountain. Wow, I don't know if you can pick this up on my camera, but the view up here is incredible. You know, we had to go through death, but we made it. And look, there's a full moon tonight. Right.
Oh, you done the same, yeah?
Yeah, but they said the water goes up to your... Oh wait, this is lengthened.
Depends where I'm going. You go higher as well.
Okay, right, so this is my first time putting on wellies. Never had to use them. The only time we probably should have used them before an exploration was deep in the Paris catacombs. You guys remember, I used H&M shoes. They were like worth $10. Yo, Carl, do you recognize this jacket that Andrew has on him?
It's mine now, brother. Finders keepers, losers weepers.
That's right.
I'm gonna throw it down a chasm in the mine when I'm done with it.
So, you've been here before, right?
Yeah, I've been here.
How many times?
How many times have you been here, Dean? Recently?
Last 4 weekends.
We've been coming up here exploring this. Like,
How's it like?
Wet.
Wet, yeah.
Wet.
Wet and cold.
So does the water get like above to your waist level?
Some places, yeah.
yeah, it depends
Hey.
which part you're going.
No!
Gonna try and avoid them.
That's why Dan's got. No, we're not.
Well, Dan's got
Oh, Dad, you didn't warn us at all.
Oh, here.
There's like the first one that we're gonna go in. And
Okay.
there's just a square hole in the floor.
Alright.
And the water's just like really dark blue, or like a lightish colour.
Oh,
blue.
I've seen I've seen a clip of that. It looks really nice.
There's copper in the water.
Oh, wow.
Sulfate in the water out of the copper ore.
Nice.
You'll see that in quite a few places in there.
Cool. Alright, so the boys are taking us to the entrance of this copper mine. Oh, it's wet. Oh, no shower. This looks amazing. I wonder how deep that goes. But Dan brought his underwater drone.
Oh, wow.
So we're gonna use it and see how far or what's deep in there. This is my first time ever seeing the underwater drone in action. I'm quite surprised by it. I mean, the wire to control it is super long. I thought it would be like 10 feet tall.
No. 100 meters? No, this is 50 meters, this one. So like what, 80 foot?
Yeah. So how does it like transmit signal? It's your controller.
through this cable.
Ah,
This is the
okay.
power. It's got an integrated battery built into it. This is simply just for signal, yeah, because as you know, you start heading into depths of there, there's no signal down there.
Right.
So it's got to be tethered.
Right, you see in there that dust that got kicked in and how it's just hovering there.
Yeah.
You want to know why scuba diving, these mines are so dangerous? You have to have special scuba, like mining scuba certification.
Probably because the dirt might
The dust
you won't be able to
will
see.
sit there. The dust will sit there for hours, right?
Really?
Divers will lose oxygen before their vision will be cleared if they kick up any silt while going in scuba diving in mines without the proper training. Like beginners are well known to like go down there. Their flippers will kick up dirt everywhere and they'll just get lost.
Yeah, I could just imagine.
And they basically just have to sit there until they drown. Yeah.
Yikes. Well, good thing we got this.
What's the problem right now? I think the controls are not charging up. There we go.
Here's something.
No, we just noticed that for a split second it sounded like somebody had just walked in here. Like you heard that noise
Okay.
coming from right there. And we all just stopped and looked at it and there's nobody there clearly. It stopped now.
Bro, imagine if someone lives here.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, it'd be cool to just interview him.
Thing is, I don't know who could live in here because they told me just a tiny way over there. It's just collapsed.
Seriously.
So it's not. There's no way someone lives in here.
Yeah, I think this place is pretty dangerous and can collapse any time, any moment.
Yeah, it feels like that.
Why are they living in here? How the hell? There's even a moth right here. And there's mold on it. You think it's dead? That's so weird. I've never seen that before.
It's covered in mold. I think it's probably got some kind of cave fungus growing on it. Have you noticed these yet? Or the copper veins?
Yeah.
Or the blue veins?
Oh. So while Dan's getting the drone ready, Sam's gonna show us the collapsed part of the tunnel. Whoa.
Level there.
What's that?
That's a level, another floor.
Oh, no way.
That's going through.
Have you guys been across this?
No.
Looks very dodgy.
But if you look down there, it goes down even further.
Yeah. You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell? I wonder where that goes.
And on the bit of a level, but
Yeah, that's another. That'll be a hatch through to another ladder up.
Dean's got balls of steel. I don't know if your balls of steel can handle that wooden planks, bro.
Doing that bit moves right underneath your foot then. James, watch that bit there. Yeah.
Do you think there's been other explorers that have come inside here before?
Possibly, yeah.
It's pretty deep.
Let's keep that. You see there, it goes down. Look for that gap.
Yeah, Dean just shined his light down there, and it looked pretty bad.
That water just disappeared. Look at that ladder.
So rusty. Hundreds of years this place has been built.
1890s, I reckon, earlier maybe.
Really.
That middle
Come
beam.
back, man.
You see that middle beam move? That middle one.
I just done a bit of wood and just sun coming.
Yeah, I know.
Yo, Dan. There's a cut on these wellies. My feet's getting wet.
There's a hole in his wellies.
Both of them. Big bucket flexes.
Flex, come on.
Well, now you're like me. Wet feet. It's not so bad.
Americans
Wet feet.
with wet feet. I don't know, it's pretty bad. I hate wet feet, bro.
That's how I got this cough I have now. Wet feet on that deserted island.
You sure it's not Corona?
Oh, it might be. It was bound to happen.
Well, everyone, leave a comment. Pray for Andrew that he does not have coronavirus.
Please do, because if I do, it would ruin my week.
It would ruin my week too, because that would mean I'm infected.
Looks like that to me, Sam.
Huh.
Yeah. What do you think though?
Not sure.
Oh, I thought it was some sort of airflow to take all the nuts off the tracks and stuff.
Possibly, yeah. But you see there on the right hand side, so you've got the beam going across.
Yeah.
At the end of the beam, you've got a bucket, and it looks like a bucket. And then underneath that beam, there's something yellow.
Dad managed to get this underwater drone to work now. Let's put it in there. Goodbye, Gladys.
Right, we are heading down. Right, we're heading down. Let's go down. Another lava there. We're heading down. At the moment we're at 8.5 meters. Some big ass rocks.
That's like where that bucket was in that.
Oh, I see a diver's line.
Really?
Look at that, it's floating.
Bro, it literally seems like something's like grabbing onto
It
it.
looks like someone's pulling it down.
What else? Set to grab.
Yeah, it's on.
We gotta kneel a lot for this one.
So bad, it's like a computer on fire. It hurts.
What's this?
Let's go, let's not stand under it.
You don't want to be touching these beams.
Yeah, whatever you do, do not
This
bang
is
that.
where shit gets sketchy.
Okay, that's where I'm
God, are you kidding me?
Oh, it's always like that every day we explore, so let's see how sketchy this is.
Right, whatever you do,
That's a deep slide down.
don't look down.
I'm not doing that.
Look, the board's bending when you walk across it.
I ain't doing that. Sorry, guys.
This is gonna be the first one you actually back out of.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Really?
I got too much respect for my life.
Is there water down there?
Yeah, I mean, I already die.
It's a long way down.
Yeah, you probably die, simple as that, but I'm down for going across.
Alright, Dan, give me your car keys. I ain't doing this.
Seriously?
Seriously. Again, I've done some crazy things in my time, but I'm not good with heights, and my legs go down and I'll fall right down.
I can hold you.
Yo, this is wobbling! If you can grab my camera and just film me.
Bro, I'm not doing it. I get Drew. I'm really Drew. Bro, every time I go on heights, my legs go down.
Yeah, I understand.
I know my
I'm not afraid of heights that much. Is there more dodgy stuff like that?
One more.
One more, just one more.
Watch your head on there.
Yeah, watch your head, Dan.
Oh my god.
How are you feeling, Dan? Is that sketchy?
It's a rush, boys.
Well, we got one more. This one even.
This one was.
Yeah, this one's. We got a worse one coming, Andrew.
This one goes down a bit more.
You have to watch out where Dean's hand's about. There's the spike sticking out the wire.
There's a spike.
Yeah, the wire's been rubbing. You see how it's gone like that?
Yeah.
It's done that about halfway down.
So what happens after that?
Just, yeah, because it'll go through your hand if you
Really? This can go through your hand?
stick it.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, I do recommend if someone's not uncomfortable, you know, they shouldn't be doing it anyway. You need if you're confident enough, then I say go for it.
These things ain't going in.
Yeah. Okay. I think this is deeper than the first one. Yeah, it's right here, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Now you sound the notes.
Man. Bro. After walking through wet water, your shoes just lose grip. And it's so rusty, it just makes everything slippery when you're just walking across it. Alright, we got Dan on the other side now.
How do you feel about that one?
I do rooftopping.
What about water and heights?
Well, I can't swim, that's the only thing.
What about a big drop of waterfall coming through it?
A height with a waterfall coming through?
Yeah, you've got a waterfall running through, you've got a platform here with water running down as well.
That sounds very slippery.
It's not to come through, it's just here. Can you hear the water?
Yeah, I can hear it. It's getting louder and louder. Damn. Oh yeah, alright, that over there looks man-made. I was expecting a big waterfall. Wow, being under here is just a whole different world. It's a sulfur. It's all over the walls right now. There's a lot of it.
You'll see changes in different minerals as we go further down.
Wow.
I broke that shaft. You just look down.
Go up to that and that'll look down into the waterfall a bit more.
Really?
At the top of that.
It's gonna be hard with no hands. I wanna see what's at the top. Oh, you think if we crack that open, it'll be like one of those things?
No, it's not an amethyst. No, this is quartz crystal. This. Okay, you can see all glistening.
It's good to be in open space right now. No more narrow spaces around here. Oh wow.
That's another shaft over there.
Seriously.
All them wood platforms at the end. That's another level up there, another platform.
So those are more shafts.
Yeah, there'll be another level up there as well.
So there'll be another level up from where we are right now.
Yeah.
You can see all the shafts, even the wooden planks and chains and everything. Yeah, holy crap. Have you guys been up there?
No.
I wonder how you could even go there.
There's a good opportunity down here for a photo.
What's in there?
That's where we're going in a minute.
And we're going down there.
That's horrible.
Multiple handles and that's
Damn.
another one there as well.
Wow.
All pick handles.
Oh wow, we're seeing rails.
Yeah, it just disappeared.
These are for the carts.
There's another track on the feet here going that way as well.
Oh yeah. You can hardly see it now with the dirt.
It's not like them cartoons.
Yo, there's ropes. Someone's climbed down there before.
Let's go then.
Let's do it.
Oh, we'll get in there, get down there.
Can we?
Yeah. Oh, it's too hard.
Let's do it.
Yeah, it's quite a big drop between there and there.
I can see a slide. Yeah, I can see the drop now, all the way there.
Hey, you reckon we could do it?
It's a lot drier in here today than it was the other day.
That leads more to the center of the earth, Dan.
That's true. Deeper the better.
Tesco down
Deeper
there.
the better.
Should we do it?
Why not?
We haven't done this one yet.
You know?
Nope.
This will be a first.
Still waiting for harnesses.
Oh, you're not going to do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
I've already got harness, but I haven't got it on me.
But you guys come here like almost every weekend, right?
Yeah, for the last 4 weeks we've been down here.
So these are like their mines right now.
I mean, you should be diving down there already.
I'll be honest, they want to do it the smart way though.
There's not many places to go.
I think you'll need a safety harness to go down there personally.
I think so too. Guys, leave a comment down below. What do you think? Should we need a safety harness?
Fair enough to this bit, but when you look at that bit there, it just drops off.
Well, Steve just so happens to be here for another month. So if we get over a certain amount of likes, I think in 3K likes, we come back here and we go down that bit as well. Because it's going to take us like an hour to explore the rest of this.
That sounds way better because I'm not properly prepared. My feet are soaking wet. I don't got whatever waterproof hands and what is that? Waders?
Waders.
I don't got waders. Should have told me. We could have bought some before.
I didn't know, bro. It was only decided today we was coming here.
But what Dan said, if this video gets 3,000 thumbs up, we'll come back, we'll be properly prepared, and we'll go deep into here. So down there is a dead end, and there's gases.
It's a dead end, but it smells like gassy. You can smell natural gas down there, so we're just a bit unsure about down there.
I mean,
I don't know if that will save us from toxic gas, but at least we know next time we'll get a respirator too.
I'd have to bring my 4-in-1 gas detector.
There's another room in here. Sam doesn't like this one.
Why?
This one's got it's had a collapse, but it is good to see.
See that pole there?
Yeah.
Then round the corner there should be another pole like that. But it's sniffing
Just
out.
point your head round the corner and we'll see what it looks like.
That's a bit of a there by the foot.
Nice of it. The rest of it's there.
Oh shit, I see it.
See the other piece of there, just snap it.
Yep.
But
Just a big one.
Holy fuck.
Wonder how heavy.
all this here is dropped already as well.
Oh,
That is
yo, you can. That is like a cut right
See how
there.
it's been painted red?
Yeah.
So it's a point of danger, so you either get it yellow or red.
Damn.
See how it's been hit on the end so many times?
Wow.
Peels the metal over. So they chisel some of the rocks out.
This is the next level here. It goes deeper. Apparently, yeah, there's gonna be a lot of water when we get down here.
Well, basically copper mines, the seam of copper just runs like tree roots and it runs to a certain vein like. And then they just construct these levels on top of other levels, you see. And you get a series of levels and then you can get collapses like you just sitting down the corner. We've got that set of railway points where it's collapsed.
Wow, so this is a draining system. This is oxidization from the copper.
Oxidization from the copper, yeah.
Bro, I like the color of it.
Cool, isn't it?
It's so crazy how like underground creates these beautiful things sometimes. And over here we have like some of the tools that were used from the miners. Why? Oh, holy. Okay, we gotta dodge another hole.
This is where the water runs from. See the water draining out this side here?
Yeah.
That's where that'll be coming from. It'll run through a passageway.
Bro, this goes down to hell. Oh my gosh. How deep do you think that is?
God knows.
Oh, I'm taking a shower right now. No way. That is... Oh, okay, that's deadly, but look at this. There's even more of that blue stuff. There's even more drainage systems. Really? There's a ladder down here. Oh yeah.
So the miners will have gone down there at one point.
Where do you think that goes? Have you guys been down there?
No, but that can come across here. It drops down again.
I can't really see it. Huh. That is really cool. It's like an underground secret base. That was part of a cart.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Oh wow.
Alright, we're going in right now. Now, why does it look like this? Like, what is this? Why is it?
It's got a safety procedure, really.
It's a what?
It'll be a safety procedure, that's why it'll be like this.
Really? This is another drainage system. Oh, look over there. What's that?
Bags full of rubble just to protect.
Keep it away. Keep it up.
This might be a place where you're going to have maybe
I see.
might have a collapse at one point. At about this second way in. Yeah. Well, that's up here.
Fuck, it's moving. So yeah, that's the rope. You can only propel yourself down. This is just an entrance, but going up, you know, there's nothing to hold you, nothing to grab. It's impossible from here. So, as much as I'd like to get out from here, we can't. We gotta go the long way again where we came.
Sort of carried on. And what's happened is the roof's collapsed in.
Okay.
So where Sam's going now, there's a little bit in the
And
corner there.
he was jumping on the ballast that keeps the walls from falling in. Okay, cool.
Okay. Not for the best.
Yeah, because that up there is ready to go in. Just gonna say that. That up there is ready to go in.
Oh, we're talking snap, bro. All this stuff's sorry.
Ah, man. I know, I've been making sure I kneel down. I have to
Leave it back here.
let you grab my bag. Or maybe I'll just leave it here.
Yeah, it's coming back this way.
Okay. Yeah, that works.
You don't want to be going down there.
Why?
We just went down there last weekend and it's just a flaw. And then
But
next
it-
day there's just a
In the technical terms, it's pretty tough.
You know, I'm pretty happy that they're with us right now. They've been here. They have so much experience. Yeah, I could just imagine just coming here without them, like not knowing anything. It's dangerous. So guys, like I recommend if you do anything like this, at least have someone experienced with you at all times.
See where it's all collapsed in and the tracks are still here.
Yeah, there's tracks. All of this collapsed. This is cold. I don't blame Andrew for sitting in the car. I don't even know what I'm doing. I just decided to come in here with regular pants. But, you know, I always want to give you guys a good video. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button. But you know my situation, my external hard drive broke. I have no videos right now. So I had to do it. I had to give you guys a bang video. So make sure to hit that thumbs up button and pray that my external hard drive arrives pretty soon.
All on the wall, we can see it.
Oh, what is that?
Oh,
What's the purple?
I don't know, I'm trying to work out what it is at the moment.
Guys, leave a comment down below if you know what the purple color is.
Oh, that's amazing.
All in the room. This is what they've been following.
What the? My question is, where are these footprints coming from? There's a lot of them. Alright, we made it to a fork in the road. Well, where have you guys been down?
I've been down both.
Yeah? What's better, you think?
That one goes to a dead end eventually.
Okay.
The way it goes for a fair while. It just basically goes down like this straight for about the same distance we just got, and then turns left and then goes and then it just ends. And then this one goes down and collapse.
I'm going to squeeze through it there and then Dan's going for a hike through the water.
Okay.
It's a tight
You don't have
squeeze
to
to
get
get
in.
through.
There's a bit of a place where you can sit down.
It's a tight squeeze to get through though, to get to it.
See a lot of footprints. There must be a reason why a lot of underground stores come this way. There has to be something. Yo, the walls are man-made now. Starting to look very different. people built this. What's that sound? What was that?
I don't know what he's there.
What are they doing? Huh? Oh. Probably was. Alright, thank God. That almost sounded like a rock falling.
I thought that. It's this swishing of the water as it's moving through the water.
Yeah, it's a loud echo in here too.
That's where it was definitely.
Do you think if you make a loud noise, like it's kind of dangerous to do that?
You don't think it's like your voice or something? No, it is a lot echoey.
This is deep. This is above the wellies, guys, so feet is soaked. Well, my feet's already soaked, so I don't mind. Alright, so this is a little squeeze up here we have to get through. Definitely gonna get a little bit muddy.
Oh, it's tired. Dude, come down and get it.
Yeah, Dan, you can. No, I'm giving him my camera. I want to grab your lens. Wait, bro, I'm stuck. Man, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Bro, I'm stuck. April Fools. There's a room up there, I can't see. Where should I stay?
Just trying to grab yourself. You just wait there.
Alright, Dan's trying to get in here.
I can't get any closer, bro.
What? You can't make it, Dan?
No, I can't lift the camera up, bro. It's like I'm being born again. Into the underground.
Nice. You got this, Dan.
Well, that was something different. Not done that before.
Yo, it's literally a slide down.
Yeah, just go down to the water edge.
Okay. This is how the other side looks.
It doesn't look deep, but it is.
No, I don't think it is.
Oh, it is.
It is?
Yes.
Like how deep?
Right, where's Steve?
First person's perspective, the water doesn't look deep. But from a third person, this is how deep the water is. Bro.
Keep going.
Dude, this is really nice. Yep. It's hitting my balls. It's hitting my balls right now and they're shrinking and freezing. Bro, that can go up to here. That's chest level deep. That is chest level deep.
I'm trying. He's just jumping his balls.
Get through.
He's just trying to Jason.
Yeah, bro, it's touched my balls.
I probably ripped on my pants.
Not even joking, but Dan has the pants and the suit to do it.
Quite deep there in the middle, isn't it?
Yeah, the middle is very deep.
Do you think I'm safe sitting on that?
No.
You don't think?
I mean, it's there for a reason, right?
Looks like it's only just resting.
Yeah, it might have just floated down and rested on it anyway. See if it moves.
I don't think so.
Well, I've not come this far for nothing.
Yeah, Dan's gonna check it out.
I think after it, I think it goes a bit higher as well.
There's another big collapse, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks like it's completely filled in.
Careful on the floor in
I
there.
don't think you can even make it up there.
Should even hear that.
It's a dead end?
Yeah, it goes upwards, but it's, I can see a tiny hole, I don't know if you can get through it or not. I think it's too dangerous from this point.
I don't want to get my my shirt wet.
Does anyone else want to come across?
I'll pass.
No.
How deep is it?
Up to his fucking...
It was nearly up to your chest, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, I'm right.
If I had that suit, I would. Alright, I guess give it to whoever's first up there.
Ocean of squeeze.
Oh, I'm all muddied up. Oh yeah, it's fogged up. Something wrong with Dan's camera right now. Here's the sketchy part. When people walk in the water, you can't even...
You don't know what's underneath here.
Yeah, you don't know. Could be a hole that'll step in. Alright, we're back to the sketchy bridges again.
Got shiny lights on me, boys. I'm going across.
Man, even the pipes have cracks on them. They're so rustied up. They're just gonna lean more to the left.
Just keep tight all of that. If it just starts breaking, then just put your arm underneath that. Push.
Yeah.
Here's nothing. Yeah, it's pieces of rock falling around.
Dude, it moves around.
Yeah.
But after this, we're good.
Fresh air.
So close, but yet so far.
Remember, that's the sheer drop to death.
All right, someone shine the light.
We need some on here. There we go.
These chains look new though. As if someone already put them recently. Okay. All right. Fuck. Hell yeah. Let's go home and warm up.
Oh, man. Oh, what an adventure, Steve.
Bro,
That's how we're doing it all day, every day here in the UK.
that's how we do it. We're on the X-Fighters.
Welcome to the UK, Steve.
I missed it a lot, Dan. I missed it a lot. Okay. Wow. It feels good to be in the UK. Woo. Dan, we made it out alive again.
I already told you, this is how we do it all day in the UK, all day, every day.
All day, every day.
More or less.
Dan, say your motto. We do this so you don't have
We
to.
do this so you don't have to.
Kids, leave it to the professionals. Don't attempt this at home. Just keep watching our videos for your entertainment needs. Man, fresh air feels great. This makes you appreciate life not underground. Yo, Dan, I think Andrew missed out.
Andrew missed out big time. I'm gonna go rub it in right now.
Yeah, let's go rub it into him.
Again, I got fear of spiders, I still do it. I got fear of planes, I still fly. It's just, yeah, you just gotta try and get over your fear. And unfortunately, Andrew has a fear of heights.
Great advice from Dan. I mean, the only way to grow and evolve is to get out of your comfort zone.
My feet are messed up.
Why?
And that water was so cold, it's peeled off a layer of my skin.
No way, prove it.
Looking, it's all dried up now, but
Bro,
I got it.
your feet looks like,
to be
like a
honest,
baby's foot.
Bro, I was gonna say, people pay good money for that. You just had a foot pedicure.
it hurt like hell.
Yes, you know.
Bro, that's a foot pedicure. It looks squeaky clean and smooth. Thanks for showing us this spot. We gotta do more.
Definitely. 3K thumbs up, we're coming back.
3K.
We're back, we're going deeper than ever.
3K,
We're going
3K,
deeper,
3K.
deeper.
Deep, deep. Wow. Guys, how do I look? I look like a proper mess right now. Can't wait to do some laundry. And of course, got the wet feet. There's probably a lot of water in here. Can't even pull my feet out. Oh, not bad. But my feet are soaking wet. It's funny though, when I was walking in the cold water, it gets so cold to the point where you can't even feel the coldness anymore.
It starts to feel hot, do you not think?
Yeah, it starts to feel warm and it becomes bearable. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that adventure with the crew. It was unbelievable. I thought, I don't know, it felt like an underground playground going through all that. And of course, if this video gets over 3,000 thumbs up, we're gonna explore even deeper. There's other passageways that we could not even go through without the proper equipment. Safety first, you always want to be prepared. If you did enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification button bell. Guys, keep up with the series. I'm here in the UK for a long time, putting out a lot of content. And hopefully my external hard drive comes in repair in a few days from now, because we got some banging videos with the crew coming up. But yeah, until next time, live life of freedom water, and I'll see y'all in the next adventure. Peace.